Okay, check this out. How to earn cryptocurrency using the Gemini exchange, how to earn interest. So basically locking in your cryptocurrency into an interest earn account, and you can earn interest, earn profits while you sleep or while you do anything else around the house or travel. I love this way and love the fact that Gemini have this as well. If you don't have a Gemini exchange, click on the link below, get some free Bitcoin, and then start buying your first or second or your fifth or your 100th cryptocurrency right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So let's go ahead and get started. So right now, I'm at the Gemini Exchange website. And by the way, click on the link below to get started, log in, get started. So the first thing you want to do, if you want to earn interest using the Gemini Exchange, you want to go right to says earn. Now, what I like to do first is look at my portfolio. So my portfolio's right here in the corner here, and I also can click on portfolio right there just to kind of see what's going on. I like to see what's going on even before I start to put my cryptocurrency into a earn interest account. So take a look at it. I've got Orchard, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and just Uniswap. We just did that just earlier today. Now, what you want to go ahead and do when you want to get started here, you can go right to earn, which is at the top here, or you can go right over here, click on these little dots there, and click on earn as well over there. That's simple. So you can go to portfolio, this is what I like to do, and scroll down. It says earn balances. This is what I currently have in this trading account. And if I click on these little dots here, if I click on earn, it will basically direct me to another page in terms of earning. So it's going to turn me to the Gemini earn page. So it's automatically directed to this page anyway. And I just click on earn. Now I already did Uniswap already. I've already did that. Bitcoin, I've already did that as well. So let me go ahead and do one more just to show you an example of how this actually works. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to purchase a cryptocurrency and then move that into a earn interest account. So I'm going to choose one. I may just buy another $10 of Uniswap. So let me go ahead and do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my portfolio, and you know I'm going to go ahead and buy one. See if I can get this. Let me do this. Let me see here. Redeem, earn, redeem. You can also redeem your actually interest as well when you're ready to redeem it as well. So let me go ahead and do this. Redeem, continue, max. Okay, it's let me do this. So, okay, here's how you can redeem it. So let's say I want to redeem my cryptocurrency from the interest account. You just go to redeem, max, continue. I'm not going to do that. Now, if I wanted to earn, the earned it used to be right there. So let me go ahead and purchase it and then put more into that. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So what I'm going to do is just purchase some more Uniswap. I'm going to put, let me put $5 in there. Put $5, confirm. So there you go. I'm going to buy some Uniswap, and then I'm going to turn around and put this in the earn interest account so I can review it on my portfolio. Then I'm going to click on earn right there. Earn there. We're going to go ahead and click on earn. So now this little button appears on the earn. Now earlier I showed you how to redeem it. I can go to max, redeem it. It goes right to my account. It's worth about $9.05. I haven't had it in the account long enough to let it grow. So I want you to let these guys grow. So when you do this, give it time. Give it time. I just did $10 in Uniswap earlier today. Now I'm going to do $5 for this actually training, which is only going to be actually $3.99 because $1 went to actually fees of Gemini. So I'm going to put this actually into the interest earn account and continue. Projected 1 year interest. It's just a projection. This is an estimate of exactly how much you're going to get. But think about it. Let it earn interest over time. Look at that annual yield, 3.59%. Look at that. That's not too bad on something you're not even doing. You're not even doing anything. You're basically committed to keep your actually cryptocurrency inside of an earned interest account. So you're not really even doing anything. You're letting it do the work. You're trading in your trading balance into an earned balance. So now instead of just trading, which I can buy and sell. That's basically what trade is, and hold. Now I'm putting in an earn balance account, so I'm earning interest while I sleep, while I do anything else. This is another actually income stream if you use it correctly. So I'm going to confirm here and put done. You will begin earning interest on this amount of Uniswap within 1 business day. So just 1 business day, I'll begin to earn interest, and you can do it as well. If you don't have a Gemini account, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click on the link below, sign up, get started. I can't wait for you to be part of the Gemini Exchange family. Now if I go, it says no balance. It says no balance. It's because we've got to wait till the next business day for it to go ahead and start collecting it. So Uniswap, it says no balance. Orchard says no balance. So all of these says no balance because it's still waiting for the next business day for it can calculate. You know what? It can go ahead and calculate as well. So I'm so excited about this, guys. Click on the link below to get started to earn Gemini earn interest. And one more area I want to show you here, this total interest earned today, this is going to show up too. Let me view earn balance. If I click on that earn balance, it's going to take me back to my portfolio, and it's basically going to show my balance. So my earn balance is this. Now I don't have any trading balance, because remember, we traded basically all of our trading balances to an earn balance for this actually trading. You don't have to use all your trading balances to your earn balance. I'm just doing it because I don't plan this cryptocurrency for forever, for quite some time. I'll be honest, for quite some time. And what I like about it, when you go to that area, it tells you 30-day interest and give you the information pending. The actually, interest is happening. It's about to happen. It was happening. And then here's your balance. Is basically the balance of it. Here's Uniswap. Here's Bitcoin, and here's Orchard. Some of the stuff has grown over time just by leaving it to your earn balance account. And then earn portfolio, this is basically shows pretty much the percentage of your portfolio in terms of your earn. So basically Bitcoin is the most, followed by Orchard, followed by Uniswap, Orchard, and then Ethereum just a tap, just a little bit of Ethereum. So it kind of shows you the earn balance information. So this just shows you what's happening today, and it's very simple, guys. Really simple to do. And if you want to go ahead and get started, click on the link below. Get your free Bitcoin. Get your free Bitcoin when you sign it up and you get your first cryptocurrency. You're going to get your free Bitcoin. You can do that. It's really simple and easy to do. Why not get some Bitcoin right now? So back to market. This is how you can kind of look. So remember what I did. I looked at one, and then I bought it, and then I earned it. Then I bought it, then I earned it. That's simple, really easy to do. So, and let me go back to my balance. If I want to go back to view earn balances, it's all right here. It shows my earn portfolio percentages, my balance, the 30-day interest, and then here's all the transactions that's been happening over the last duration of this account. So guys, $67.55. This is actually, I feel like it's gonna grow because of interest. So just beware. I'm gonna do another video as well about more about Gemini Exchange and how simple and easy it is. I may do another example of how to buy and sell and actually send your actually cryptocurrency to another exchange. So someone was asking me to do that the other day, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that as well on another video. But this is all about earning interest, earning profits while you sleep, pretty much just by keeping an earn balance account. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, but more importantly, click on the link below in the description box. Get signed up for your free Gemini exchange and get your free Bitcoin. Get your free Bitcoin. Get your Bitcoin. Get your Bitcoin, girl. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh boy. I'm just having a good time. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. I can't wait.